Sometimes we make audio calls through WhatsApp. Sometimes, the other person may say they're not able to hear anything, and sometimes you may not be able to hear what they're saying. This could be because you or the other person may have turned on mute during the call. So, if you unmute it, the problem will be solved. Anyway, in this video, we'll show you how to unmute any WhatsApp audio call. First, open the WhatsApp application. After that, select any contact. For example, I'm selecting this contact. Then, if you want to make an audio call, you can see a button like this here. Click on this button. This is the audio call button.